Hello everybody, and welcome to Andrew Broussard Watercolors. Today I'm going to take a sketch that I did in Chinese ink. This is pine soot ink that I just hand ground and painted with. It's of a waterfall from a photograph on Arch's rough watercolor paper, and it is about 8.5 by 10.5. Now I'm going to experiment with painting over this with Western watercolors. So brush wise, I think I will grab the number 4 rigger or the swirl mop. I'll kind of play around between the two. Let's go swirl mop first. Kind of wash these colors in. The palette's a little dirty from yesterday, from last night's painting, but I can utilize these colors. And the Chinese ink in and of itself should be waterproof, so it shouldn't have much of an issue. I think the only muddying that would really take place would be the watercolor kind of being transparent and having that dark backing. This is kind of a lemon yellow mix of mud. I'm painting right to the edge because I do not like to have that empty space there to kind of throw me off. I'm almost kind of tinting this whole thing with this greenish yellow mix. I'll use that on these rocks, moss colored rocks. Lift up right there. And we'll go for a bluish gray. So let me drop my brush, grab a little bit of ultramarine. Start playing around in here. Now the water in this picture is like absolutely beautiful, more of a turquoise. I could probably mix a little bit of yellow in there in a bit. Play around with that. Water comes up in front here, a little bit here, and it cascades down into this pool down here. We have some pools there. And darken this. Well, first of all, let me keep the blue for a moment to add a little bit of blue up here. Try to leave a lot of that white though. Grab a little bit of that lemon yellow in there. Mix a little bit of burnt sienna with that ultramarine. Kind of get a gray. Now let's get burnt umber with ultramarine, kind of a darker dark. So the darker undersides of these rocks. Dry it off pretty quick back here. Just finding my darks back here with that burnt umber ultramarine mix. Texture. Okay, let me pause this. I think we'll do we want some more lemon yellow? I think that would be an asset. Let's get a little bit more lemon yellow on there. Accentuate those strong yellows that are seen. I don't know if I'm gonna put the photograph on this. Well, you would know by now in this video if there's the photograph there, probably in the corner. Okay, let me pause this and we'll do a dry off. All right, now I believe I'm going to stop this video here and I'm going to do a part 3 for this, where we'll call this one blocking in color, and then the next one we're going to use the finer brushes for a little bit more detail. So I will be back soon with another video. Have a great day.